Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we are going to be fixing one of the main problems we had last season when we were doing our broilers. We were moving our chicken tractors, but it was extremely hard. We don't have level terrain, especially when you've got a bunch of hills and bumps to go over. So this time we are going to be showing you how to attach wheels to your chicken tractor. So let's get started. Okay, the supplies that you are going to need for this project are drills or impact drills, 3-inch screws, 8-inch carriage bolts, the washers and the nuts for each of those carriage bolts. The wheels are the 8-inch that we bought at Lowe's, and the wood is roughly about 12 to 18 inches long. So as you can see, it's really tough to move these things without any wheels. We looked into getting the chick lifts, and maybe we'll do that in the future, but right now it's just not in our budget. I think they're a couple $100 a piece plus shipping. So we're gonna go the cheaper method and just take a lot more wheels and put them on the chicken tractor. So if you have a chicken tractor at home, maybe this tip will help you. So let's prop up the chicken tractor so we can have plenty of room to put on the wheels. First, Lauren is taking out the roofing screws that we use to attach the metal siding to. Then we're going to make sure that we get this lined up. So we've got to make sure that we get the boards that are going to hold the wheels lined up. This is also the reason why we cut them 12 inches long. Lauren is drilling pilot holes so that we don't split the wood. And we want to make sure that the wheels line up correctly on the back. So we are using the first one that Lauren drilled as a template. And we're drilling the pilot holes into the second board so that everything is level. Now we're taking that board and making sure that it is level on the bottom, that it's not sitting down too low so that there's any gaps. We definitely want to make sure that no critters can get under our chicken tractors. So we're screwing in the 3-inch screws into the frame. So we're going to do some on the bottom of the frame and the sides of the frame. This will make sure that it stays structurally sound when we move it. And now we're just making sure that we get the correct distance so that the wheels line up correctly on each side. And the next step is to insert the 8-inch carriage bolts. We put a washer and a nut, and we're going to screw that nice and tight so that the bolt doesn't come out, but gives us plenty of room for the wheel to slide on and off. And we pre-drilled the holes for the carriage bolt, and they are directly in the center of each board. And there you go. Now it's ready for a test drive. That's what I want to see right there. Good.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, what'd you think?
It was a lot easier to maneuver, even like forward and backwards, but also when we have to make the turns to come back around, it was tons easier.
So now when we store it, we just take the wheels off. So you only had to buy 2 wheels, and you can move as many tractors as you need to. All right, the first chicken tractor is done. Now we're gonna do the same steps for chicken tractor number 2. And chicken tractor number 2 is mobile. The main thing that I wanted to make sure was when we turned that it didn't put a lot of strain or stress on those 2x4s that we attached. So there you go, quick and easy project as we are preparing for our broiler chicks. They'll be coming out in a couple of weeks. Then we'll, about 3 weeks in the brooder, then we'll bring them out on pasture so we can move them so much easier now. But we're right here at the beginning of spring. If April showers bring May flowers, what do May flowers bring?
Pilgrims!
Oh crap, you've heard that one. Well, we hope this video was helpful, especially if you plan on doing meat chickens. That's Nemo in the background. This should make your chicken tractors a lot easier and affordable. Those tires were what, $8 a piece, $9 a piece, and we just got the carriage bolts. Nemo wants to get in on the video. So we hope this video was helpful to you, and we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next video. There's Nemo in the background. He's trying to get in on the video. Up on the chickshaw. Yep. That's right. You tell him.